Here I have iPhone 14 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the slow-mo feature, and now we can record videos in slow-mo. So I'm just gonna record this toilet paper spin, but in slow-mo. So let's get it. Okay, now let's check it out. Wow. Okay, let's give it another try. Okay, I hope this one will look better. Whoa, and as you can see, this toilet paper spins kinda slow because it's in slow-mo, but like it's not the slowest slow-mo I like seen on different devices. So like iPhone 14 Plus is not a best device for taking slow motion videos. It's just an epic fail, on my opinion. But you can see it's slightly slower, maybe, I guess. You can imagine it being in slow-mo, okay? And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.